Log in Bolt Food. How to open Bolt Food account. In order to log in or open an account on the Bolt Food app, it's rather quite simple for us to do so. All we have to do is launch the Bolt Food app and make sure to type in our phone number. Once you select your country and phone number right, you have to just tap the continue button that you can see here. It's just going to send a verification code to you. So go ahead and then verify the code. Once verified, you can see you'll be successfully logged in to your Bolt Food app. If you do not have an account, you'll be prompted to create an account on this. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.